Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making mini bagels. You start with 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. I use whole milk, organic probiotic plain yogurt. So go ahead and dump your dry ingredients first, and then you go ahead and dump your yogurt right after. This recipe is really easy to do and make. All you have to do is dump, like I said, all the ingredients in one bowl and just mix them until they're fully incorporated, and you will get a ball of really wet dough. So you really just keep incorporating it, like I said, until you can get this sticky ball of dough. It is going to be really sticky because of the yogurt, but it's going to be really cold too. So just go ahead and put some flour on your board just to help with the stickiness. After you put in a ball, just rip out pieces of dough to the size of bagel you want into a circle, into a ball like that. And pinch a hole in the middle with your thumb to make a bagel shape, just like that. It's really simple. Like I said, it's really sticky. If you feel like it's too sticky for you, just add some flour on your table. And there you go. So you just keep doing that, keep ripping them off and roll them into a ball and pinch a hole in the middle to make a bagel shape. Now this recipe can make from 6 to 10 bagels depending how big you want them. If you want them really small, obviously you can make more. If you want them a little bit bigger, maybe you can make about 6. It's always good to preheat your oven first when baking anything. We're going to bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. After you shape all your bagels, you place each one carefully on a baking sheet. Just be careful, they're very fragile and they're going to be really soft. And like I said before, we're going to bake them for about 20 and 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. When they come out, they're going to have some brown color on top, just very slightly. Obviously you can put an egg wash too to help with that, but they are nice and soft and chewy mini bagels. I'm going to teach you how to do something with these mini bagels instead of cutting them in half, and of course you can do the cream cheese or butter, but we're going to do mini pizza bagels. So what you do is just cut them in half. They are small, so kind of be careful and not rip them apart. Some of them are going to be easier than others if they are bigger. Like that, those are too small, so just get your bigger ones and cut them in half first. Then we're going to make our pizza sauce. I put a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of parsley, a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of salt. And then I go ahead and put at least a teaspoon or so of maple syrup for sweetness. And I go ahead and I stir my pizza sauce mixture. go ahead and spread your pizza sauce all over your mini bagels. You can put as much or as little as you want. And then next you just place your mozzarella cheese right on top. They're very small, so just do the best you can. And go ahead and bake them at 350 for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese is melted. And that's it. I hope you like this quick and easy recipe and this tip of how to make mini bagel bites. Please let me know down below in the comments if you made these. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay well, friends.